It's not straight.
But it's gonna
There
hit
you
the
go.
curb. It's
No,
gonna. Okay.
no,
I could see it from there though. You see a little bit.
you're straight. All right. She kicked me out again. I'm freezing. What are you doing? All right. Hi. Hey, good afternoon. This is Simon, certified driving instructor, and welcome to my channel, Drive Don't Dread. I have Areej with me. Hi, Areej.
Hi.
So she has been driving with me for some time, but we are now focusing on parking. She's looking forward to get the test done. We don't have the date yet, but we are looking forward to it. So let's begin. So let's come out. You ready?
Let's go. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we'll turn off the flashers.
Oh, this part?
Yeah, the flashers.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I'm looking to.
Whatever.
I'm not even gonna be able to make the green one. I just know that. I just know that. He'll make it, but I won't make it.
Yep.
He even went. Well, he was technically kind of inside when the red one went on.
Exactly. After turning left, you must switch lanes to the rightmost lane. Areej did attempt her first change of lane. It was very close to the passing car. Basically, it was a dangerous move. For me, it's a fail.
Come to a full stop.
Yep.
Look left, right, left.
No rush.
I think a little further.
So this lane is ending.
Yeah, this lane is ending. So I'm gonna
Signal left and squeeze it. After making a right turn, the right lane was ending, so Areej switched to the left lane. She did not check her blind spot here. So I'm going right or left for the lights?
right. You said right, right?
Yeah.
Technically, that's my right away, right? Me coming onward.
So yeah, it was red. So we have to stop, make sure.
But it was green though.
Green, the other side. The other side was green, not your side. Your side was still red because the cars were going this way.
Oh, that one.
Yeah. What's the speed limit here?
It could be 50. What is that?
Did you see a speed sign?
I didn't, so it's 50, no?
Right. Whenever you enter a new street, always keep an eye on the speed limit sign. If you don't spot a speed sign, it means by default it is 50. Sometimes you miss it and you think you didn't see it. So whenever you enter a new street, you will see a sign just at the beginning.
Okay.
So from here, we'll take a right.
There's no pedestrians. It's my right away. I can go.
Nice and easy. Yep, we'll continue straight.
Straight here?
This one is straight. Yes. Okay. What's the speed limit here?
30.
Good.
So now it's 30. This one, right?
Yes. Good. We'll take a left here. Good.
I'm gonna do the. Are you gonna do the cone?
So let's do the front parking first.
Okay. Like here?
By the gray car, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, this one. Good. That's it. Too close, too close. So
That's good.
when you enter, you have to balance your steering. So
Yeah.
here you don't have to steer to the left because
Okay.
we are already close to the left side. If you see here. So if you are not satisfied, let's adjust the parking.
Okay.
So you have the advantage of space at the front and space at the back. So it's up to you how you want to do it.
First back.
Okay, so yeah. Remember to back up just straight.
Okay, yeah. This will be straight, no?
Okay. Okay, now when you have a clear view of your spot at the front, so back up more. More. Keep coming. Now you put in the drive. There you go. A little to the right.
And this should be good.
Yes, and that's it. Now steers to the right again. To the right, yes. Balance it out. Here, like this. Keep coming. More. A little bit more.
I think you should shift to the left, no? A little
No.
bit? No? Are you sure?
No. That's it. When you're reversing from a park position, rule of thumb to keep in mind is if your exit point is to the right, you signal left and you back up while steering left. If your exit point is to the left, you back up by signaling right and steering to the right, keeping in mind that there's no cars on either side.
Okay, now I'm good.
There you go. And now we'll put it in drive. There you go.
Working is so hard.
Yeah. Okay, so Areej is going to bring the car and park between the cones. Okay, so she was supposed to signal right, but she didn't. So like I mentioned, she has been training for quite some time. So that's why I leave the car and she parks on her own without using my judgment. Now the signal is on. Let's see if she can make it. I think she can do it. Oh, okay. Okay, looks like she messed it up and she's trying again. What's happening? What are you doing? All right. So first is match the triangle window and the cone.
Yeah.
And then one steer to the right.
Okay.
And the first try was pretty good. You were supposed to come a little bit further back and you could have squeezed in.
But it was hitting the curve.
The point where you stopped, that was the correct point. Let's do it again. No, it's okay. It's good.
When you put closer, it squeezes out.
Not too close, not too far.
Close, but close enough.
Close enough. Yeah, close enough like an arm's length.
Okay, yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, the arm is like- yeah.
Exactly. And then let's do one more. So we were able to do the parking. Just the one thing Areej forgets is to signal.
Yes.
And we are doing one more just to see what's going on. So let's see. Matches, that's it.
That's it. Now we can make
No, full left.
for left. I'm saying.
Left.
Oh, left. Now left. Better.
Wow, that was good.
That was really good.
Keep coming. It's
I
not
think-
straight. It's not straight.
But it's
There
gonna hit
you
the
go.
curb. It's
No.
gonna. Okay.
No,
I could see it from there though. You see a little bit.
you're straight.
I am straight, but very close to the curb still.
Because you squeezed in,
Mhm.
you won't hit the curb.
Okay.
So at this point, this is the best parking
Okay.
after all the tries. So yeah, you can adjust yourself, like whatever you want to do, put it in park, pull the handbrake, and that's your final parking. All right.
Okay. Now I'm gonna do one. You're gonna go outside. I'm gonna do one, and this is gonna be the one.
All right.
Where there's like no mistakes.
Okay, sure. All right. She kicked me out again. I'm freezing. Let's see. All right. The final attempt was good, but the one before that was perfect. So guys, mind you guys, Areej started from 0. So it's pretty good for someone who does not know how to drive or hold the steering. So I'm pretty happy. Just a little bit of touches here and there for driving. And I'm glad she was able to park on her own. And that's why I give a little bit of liberty to my students to park on their own, especially if I trust somebody. So she's going to take us home now. And
I think you trust me with driving. I think you trust me.
yeah, I hardly hit the brakes now. And she's pretty happy with that.
Yeah.
The only thing that requires, I keep telling her that just a little bit more patience
Yeah.
would be helpful. All right, but other than that, I'm happy. And
I think one thing I struggled with was really like maintaining speed, and I still do struggle with that.
that's a lot better
But it's a
in
lot
the past
better.
few days.
Yeah. And the more you practice, like the better it gets.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, let's head home now.
Okay, let's go. Yeah, I needed a pillow.
All right, so we finally made it home. And
Yes, we're gonna look for any oncoming traffic.
yeah.
No pedestrians. Let's go make that. Then you wanna stop kind of here, right? Not stop, but like slow down because there's a bump here.
Mm-hmm.
Then you're gonna signal left.
Mm-hmm.
Look at your blind spot mirror. Everything.
And then you can park beside the white car here.
Which white
This
car?
this
Right
one.
here?
Yeah.
And then
On the handbrake. All right, so we are at the end of our lesson. Thank you so much, Areej, for
No
joining
problem.
me. And I shall see you soon.
yes.
And like, share, and subscribe. Any comments, please do put the comments, and any questions also. Thank you. Bye. Take care.